What's up, YouTube? I'm Michael. Behind the camera is Ellie. We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. Today we got a quick down and dirty. This is for intermediate, advanced a little bit users, not for beginners. If you need to see a video on how we do the blanks, get them cut, get them drilled and all that, check out the link below and it'll take you to another video where we do all of that. Today, this is a special for what? All you UK fans? Ready? Give it a... Let's get to it. Mike Harden at Stadium Blanks, Michael Harden at Stadium Blanks, Pen Blanks, has all kinds of blanks from all different sports facilities. Is that better?
Yep.
All right, this one came from Memorial Coliseum at the University of Kentucky. This is the flooring. So we have that one already tubed for the 10.5 millimeter.
Cool.
It's pretty cool. And this one, in conjunction with Blank Works, Mike Harden had this made. It's a watch part. It's a watch part blank with UK on it and the UK colors and all of that. Right here, Blank Works. And this is gonna be the cap. And we're gonna put this on a Continental in chrome. And this thing is gonna be amazing. So let's get to it.
Which is awesome because it's for someone who is amazing.
And a UK alum, of course. So I'm gonna turn the wood blank first and then we'll do the cap. All right, here we are on the lathe. Got the pen mandrel, I'm gonna put a spacer on. And then an old blank, or an old bushing. And then I have the bushings for my kit. And then blank, and then the other bushing, and another spacer. Slide that over. Da, da, da. Using mercury adhesives, medium. First coat, this is the second coat. Same brand, just medium or thin. This, let's see if you can even see it. I gotta get here on the
Put your
camera.
hand behind it.
100,000 grit sandpaper, or diamond polishing compound. This is diamond compound, 100,000 grit. Last, we'll use some Renaissance wax. It'll help protect it, keep fingerprints off of it for a little bit, and it just makes the coat last longer. It's just a wax. Wow. Now, for all you new and intermediate pen turners that might be watching this, you need to be really careful if you buy one of these because they are $65 just for the blank. So take your time, turn it whatever speed is comfortable for you, and go slow. Now, let's put it together. We're going to use the press for that, or the lathe for that. These two pieces I turned on the lathe. One goes there, one goes there. It's pine, makes it nice and soft so you don't mess up your pieces when you're putting them together. We have the cap, we have the body, a ceramic roller ball, fine point. That's the end cap for the body. That's the insert for the cap. That's the sleeve for the insert. There's our clip, our tip, two couplers for the body, one for the tip, one for the end cap. The spring, don't ever lose your spring. I'm putting that back in the bag. And then this is the end cap for the top of the cap. And then, there you go.
Wow.
That, man, that's a nice pen.
It doesn't suck.
It doesn't suck. That's a nice pen. Get this crap off of here. And my fingerprints. This thing turned out amazing. The wood flooring, maple, I was expecting pine, so that's good. These watch part blanks, they cut like butter. So with that, you need to be very, very careful. You don't want to, if you get too aggressive with it when you're trying to cut, you're gonna gouge it and you could hit your watch parts that are inside. And you don't want to put a lot of pressure when you're sanding either, because if you get it hot, it's gonna turn to goo, basically. If something happens and you're cutting one of these and a little bit of the watch part starts to come out, it's okay, they're all brass. Remember, those parts are they're brass, aluminum, and you can polish them and you can sand them. Don't try to keep cutting. Stop, cut everything else to get to where you need to, and then sand. Just sand it from there. This kit, Continental kit from Woodcraft. I love this kit. It's all metal except for that one insert, the threaded insert for the cap. If they change that, this would be an exceptional pen kit. There are more expensive kits out there that have all metal. You just have to be careful when you're tightening it. Don't try to over tighten your cap. But it's a beautiful kit. It's nice, it's weighty, and it's just a nice beefy junior style kit. I love it. It's great, and I think our customer is gonna love this too. It also comes with that ceramic safety rollerball ink cartridge, which is really nice as well. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you want to see how we did the cutting of blanks and how we get them drilled and get them epoxy together, check out the link below and it'll take you to a tutorial video that we've done. If you're getting value, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share button as well. We really do appreciate it. Please go do something nice for a veteran today. We love you. See you next week.
And you have to tell him I said it comes with a hug every time he uses it.